In this video I'm going to show you how to create hyperlinks on images in Google Docs. So what we want to do is add an image and we will go to insert. Then you will see different options. And we are using the image option, so upload from computer. And let's say we would like to use an image like this. So we will add this image, and once you have added the image you can resize it if you want to. You can also center it by clicking on this option. And now we would like to add a link to it. So what we will do is right click on the image and there you will see some options. Now we will click on insert link, and what we can do now is basically go to our YouTube channel, let's say tech tutorials, and we would like to link this image to our YouTube channel. So copy the link, and now you go back to this one, to the Google Doc, and you will paste the link over here. Now you can select it, and now you have successfully added a link on images in Google Docs. But a heads up, if you would like to keep using this link, make sure you only export this document as a PDF. Otherwise, this link will not be available anymore and useful to click on. Thank you for watching.